We'll look at a slightly bigger one. How's that sound? Okay. This is the 21RB Travel. Sorry, resetting again, everybody. 21RB Travel. So as you can see, there's an awning that covers the whole side. This one has, looks sort of like a full body paint job. Okay, double axle. When you walk in, this has a bed that's set here all the time. It is east to west. I talk about this a lot, but I never show you. Lisa, come on in here real quick. Go down there. I'm going to push this and I'm going to crawl in here. So we talk about me not fitting, but okay. Now this one is full all the way. The last couple we've been at, the mattress didn't go all the way to the end. It went about that far from the end. So my feet would be off the mattress. Now, honestly, they're going to be touching the wall. Because once I put my pillow here, and it just, right? So you really would have to sleep like this. Okay? So that's why I don't like east to wests. I'd rather have north to south. But it's nice that there's a dedicated bed all here all the time. There's some storage underneath here. Okay?
I'm wondering if that's like a little place for Rover. Because of the
could be
opening. I don't know.
Yeah. A nice place for, take this out hunting with the hunting dogs.
Yeah, maybe.
Put them inside at night, right? I'm on a sofa that pulls out to be a bed as well. This is great. They are recliners.
Ooh, very nice.
It doesn't tilt back, but you can put your legs up. You can put a small TV right across from where I'm sitting. The connections are there. So a small TV would go there. As you see, you got a, I don't want to call it a mini fridge because it is a fridge and a freezer. It's not quite fridge, but yeah, you got a small fridge and a freezer up top.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Little 3-burner stove, mini oven.
An oven, I can't believe there's
right.
an oven
Got your microwave up top.
Yep.
Some cabinetry all around. All right. Small sink in the corner there and some cabinets underneath. And from a head standpoint, by the way, guys, right, I'm not touching up in here. Right, not bad.
Yeah.
Right, there you go.
All right.
And I think I'm looking over here. It's 3,500 pounds, guys.
Oh, nice.
Right? And it says that bed is 60 by 80, which is why I actually fit on it because it is 60 by 80.
It is a residential queen.
It just, my feet are going to be touching the wall.
Yeah.
Which I guess is fine. But look at this. I'm shocked by the bathroom.
Yeah, me too. It's huge.
Yeah. Massive cabinetry up here. And there's a hanging rod up there. So you can hang clothes.
Very nice.
It's going to be your wardrobe area.
Yeah.
But look at the toilet where it's placed.
It's also going to have to be room for your towels.
This one's tall and fluffy approved.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
The shower is going to be a little tight. I'm not sure about the head height. Let's check the head height. Oh, poop. It's always one thing.
Yeah.
I'm up in the fan, y'all.
Yeah.
So, 6'2" max. Okay? 6'2" max in the shower. All right, let's jump out of here.
All right.
All right.